Actually, fat loss and CoolSculpting is the same thing. Yeah, so it's this big category called body contouring, whereby we use various devices, and in the case of CoolSculpting, it's a non-invasive fat freezing device to cool down fat cells to kill it. And then through a process called apoptosis, the body reabsorbs the fat and reduces really the number of fat cells in that specific area. So where you treat, you have a good result, but where you don't treat, probably nothing will be seen. In this way, you are actually contouring the body, and as the name CoolSculpting implies, you actually sculpt the body to a shape that you want. So it's a fat cell reduction technique. Whereas this contrasts to weight loss. So there are some people who have a BMI, say, above 30 or even higher, or above 27 with some chronic illnesses. They would benefit from significant weight loss. And of course, significant weight loss can be done with a lot of elbow grease and hard work through lifestyle changes. But a lot of times, there is a limitation because it's largely genetic in nature, and they need some help from the doctor. And in appropriate cases, giving medications, or even having adjuncts like dietary advice, seeing a dietitian, a nutritionist, would lead to weight loss. Now, weight loss is different from body contouring in that the number of fat cells remain exactly the same. The only difference is that when we have weight loss, we actually use up more calories than we take in, and as a result, fat gets taken away from these fat cells to power the body, leading to a general reduction in the size of our fat cells, and therefore we have got generally a lower weight. And this is really, really very important for people who have excess weight, because it can lead to many chronic illnesses like heart disease, stroke, certain cancer, which are related to lifestyle. Having this distinction is very important. Then you can pick and choose what treatments to do for the appropriate patient. Although CoolSculpting is really just to sculpt the body, it doesn't really change the weight too much. But at the same time, when people are motivated, the mind is really a powerful thing. So we find that although CoolSculpting doesn't reduce the weight to a significant extent, it only helps, or rather it helps sculpt the body to a shape that you want, so it's good for people with stubborn fat. We also found that because of this, because of the commitment to the treatment, they also adopt a healthier lifestyle, and they also have some weight loss. But of course, I think more importantly, people who need significant weight loss and who need help because they can't do it by themselves through healthy lifestyle, or are too busy to make enough lifestyle changes for significant weight loss, then I think we should help with weight management, and in this case, with medications.